So today's project is to make something that can make a nice sharp bend when I'm doing my fabrication, because the folder gives us a rounded edge which I'm not really happy with on some of the panels, but I don't want to spend any money as usual, so let's see what I can come up with. So let's see what we've managed to scratch together. Right, there's some 2x2 box, 50-50 box, about a foot long, probably just slightly under. Some angle iron, inch-by-inch angle iron, that's just a bit of bar. That is part of one of my bead rollers formers, which happen to be the right size. That is an offcut from when I made the rotisserie, just a piece of tubing, some nuts and bolts, a bit of threaded rod and some more nuts. There they are. I think that's probably about 9 inches long, and that's a bolster or a cold chisel which you normally use for brickwork, and that is a 2-inch brickwork cold chisel again, with a bit of copper pipe just run around the edge of it. Now I'm drilling a hole through the flat bar. It needs to be slightly larger than the threaded rod, and the threaded rod will then pass through it, and that will form our bottom securing anchor. Next I'm just welding a nut onto the bottom side of the 2x2 box, the 50-50mm box, and that's where our threaded rod will go into. I'm cutting 2 lengths of inch-by-inch angle, the same length as the 50mm box. So this is what we're trying to achieve. There's the box, there's the angle, see the bolster, and hopefully we get a 90-degree sharp bend. So now I will assemble the various parts. There's the threaded rod, going to put that into the nut which we welded on earlier. which is on the 50x50 box. Here I'm sliding on the large collar which come off my bead roller, which just happened to be the right sort of size, securing it on with the Allen key, which is already on that particular tool, sliding it into the tubing, just nipping up the nuts just so that you don't slide out. And then I'll slide the tubing over top of the press and then just nip the nut, and then I can line the bolster up with the centre of the slot formed by the two pieces of angle.